Hi, my name's Alan Cowgill, and I know you might not know me, but the DFWREI Club has asked me to come on in and do a very special training on a weekend. And I'd like to talk to you a little bit about it so you know what's coming up for you. What I'd like to start with this little kid holding up four fingers is there's four parts of a real estate deal at the very top level. Number one is you got to find a property with a motivated seller, a good deal. That's paramount. And then number two is what I'm all about, which is money. I teach people how to attract and convert people into private money lenders. It's the best, easiest, cheapest way to find money, and I'm right at the pinnacle of that. And we're going to talk about that some more. And then number three is you typically enhance the value through rehab, fix it up maybe a little. And then number four is either sell it or keep it long term. If you can't get by that second item, you are dead in this business. Now, what I want to tell you about the event, it's April 11th. It's on a Saturday. It's going to go from 9 to 3. And here's what I'm going to cover before lunch. So I just want you to pay attention to this, please. Number one is I'm going to go over some deals with private money, short sale and subject to show you the anatomy of the deals. I'm also going to show you how to do 5 to 7 deals a month with virtually zero research and definitely zero marketing cost. I found this system and it is gold. In fact, it made the realtor so much money, he became my private lender. Would you like to make your realtor your private lender? Imagine that. And then I'll show you what I spend the money on, before and after pictures. I'll show you my 5 steps to wealth. And there is a ton of lender insights I'm going to give you, private money insights, and then also meeting the lender. What do you say? After lunch, and we're buying lunch at the event so I can keep teaching. And just like a sporting event where you need a rule book and the fundamentals, I will teach you the rules for your state. Now, I'm not an attorney. I don't give legal advice. But I had hired an SEC attorney to do that, and so I've got what you're allowed to do in Texas. I'll give you scripts to use, because the hardest thing for you, I suppose, is what do you say to lenders? Why not just use mine? And then 3 steps that I guarantee you have out of order in your business. You don't recognize it. And it is an eye-opener for everybody that I teach this to. And I'll show you how to fix it. Now, you want to take a screenshot of this. It's Saturday, April the 11th. It's right between Good Friday and Easter. And the phone number is there on the screen. And the website to go out and sign up is DFWreiClub.com. Now, I made REI small letters so that you can easily see what's there. Typically, you can put in the caps, but it'll work this way too. So take a screenshot, and I'm looking forward to seeing you. This thing is going to be amazing. You will learn a ton. I'm told minute for minute I deliver as much or more information than anybody out there. I'm looking forward to it. Sign up, and let's learn about private money. And if you do have private money, like I said, I'm going to teach the legal stuff, and I am the only guy in the nation that can teach it in every single state on what's allowed. And you need to be there for that. Well, to your wealth.